Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. In today's recipe, we are going to show you how to make the best ever and the tastiest corned beef angwamo or corned beef braised rice. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and let's get started. Heat up 1 cup of oil in a cooking pot. I am using vegetable oil, but please feel free to use any type you like. When the oil is hot, add in 3 chopped onion, and these are 3 little onions. If you want to add more, please go ahead and do it. Now stir it and leave the onions to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes or until when you see that the ends are getting brown. And whilst we are doing that, we are going to wash our rice. So here I've got about 5 cups of basmati rice, and these are small rice cup of 160 grams each. All right, so wash it about 2 times and you're ready to go. By the way, if you don't want to use basmati rice, please feel free to use any type you like. All right, so the onions have been frying for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add about 200 grams of diced carrots, and I am also going to add spring onions, which is about 6 stalks. Okay, now give it a nice little stir and leave it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat to low. And if you want to add different vegetables, please go ahead, but I think with the carrots and onion it's enough. And now it is the right time to add in our corned beef. So this is just 1 can of corned beef. Try to buy the best one. I think the best brand is GIZZARDS, so if you can get that one. If you can't, please do not worry about that. Use any corned beef that you can find. All right, but do not add too much. 1 can should do the trick. Now stir it and leave it on for about 2 minutes. All right friends, we are now going to add our rice, and again this is basmati rice, but use any rice you like. I've got 5 cups here, 5 mini cups of 160 grams, just to remind you. Once you have added your rice, make sure you stir it very well so that it doesn't burn. Also, something very important, make sure you are doing this on the lowest heat possible because it can quickly burn. All right, so stir it, and then we are going to add our water, and this is the final step. All right, so here we are adding about 500 mils of water, and again it depends on how hard or how soft you like your angwamo. We like it on the harder side, but again it depends on your preference. So now give it a little stir and then add in salt. So we are adding about half a tablespoon salt, but it depends on you, so feel free to taste it and see if it's enough for you. All right, now stir it, and then we are going to cover our rice with the lid. And if you have noticed, I did not use any parchment paper or any foil because my rice is just gonna cook like that. All right, so this is it now, and my corned beef rice is almost ready, and I'm just going to give it a little stir to make sure it doesn't burn, and then I will cover it up once again and leave it to do its job. All right, so the whole recipe should take you somewhere between 30 and 45 minutes to be ready. And this is it now. Look at my corned beef angwamo. It smells awesome. So now I'm just going to leave it on the side and get my eggs ready. So I've got here 4 eggs, which is enough for us, and I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, and do it however you like it, but we like eggs with homemade pepper sauce, Ghanaian pepper sauce. So we add about half a tablespoon of pepper sauce. Next, heat up some oil in your frying pan, and when the oil is hot, you can fry your eggs. By the way, have you ever tried Ghana Chibom with sardines? You can also use sardines. So if you haven't tried it, do it. I didn't add it this time because I'm gonna use it as a side, but if you want to try Ghana eggs with sardines, please go ahead and do it. Add the pepper. So After 3 to 4 minutes, flip your egg over, or flip it when you think it's done, and then flip it like this, just as you see it. This is how they like it in Ghana, and this is it. Okay, so it is now time to serve. Look at this wonderful corned beef rice, guys. Oh, this is just amazing. And then I'm going to add my sardines. So this is the reason why I said I didn't add it in the egg. I just like it on the sides. And then I'm going to add my egg and top it up with some more hot Ghanaian pepper sauce. All right, guys, so this is it. This is our recipe, and as you can see, it is very simple. It is done very quickly, and above all, it is super tasty. So if you want to try this recipe, please go ahead and do it. I also have a first version of this one. You can also watch that one if you like. Thank you all for watching this recipe. I really love you guys. Don't forget to leave me comments, thumbs up, to like this video, to share my video, to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Bye.